silence where whispers rock the truth. Built bridges from my anger and walls they never knew. They called it wrath, they called it pride, but never saw the fight of someone who stood alone, just trying to make it right. I burned so I could see, I broke so they'd believe, and every scar I wear, a promise I still keep.